Well guys, before I leave Helen, Georgia, I decided to take a little up trail mountain. So now we are heading up to Waterfalls. So the lady told me that up there, because it's another feed, this is like a park down here where I was, and Anna is another thing. Oh, what the hell is this? It look like little cabins, like little house cabins right here. Oh yeah, look. Oh, it's cottage. Anna Waterfalls Recreation. So we here. So make sure you have good, nice, comfy sneakers, because you're going to walk to that Ruby Falls, but it's a little bit of hills. So you gotta go up and down. But the view, priceless. Let the fun begin, because you see, I'm not even halfway. You see those people right there walking? You gotta go all the way up there. So they got like a little area here that you can take a break if you want before you start that mission. I just want to let you know that if you guys one day decide to come over here, be prepared. Oh God, let me catch my breath. Woo, baby. Wow, we made it. We made it. Right there, I'm gonna go up here so you guys can see better. So guys, look at this, man. Let's see if I can put it in. I'm gonna go up here too as well so you guys got a better look. A better view, guys, better view.